Prince Edward County in central Virginia, northern Lunenburg County, Nottoway County, until 4 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hampton Sydney College, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will be near Green Bay around 3:25 p.m. Burkeville around 3:35 p.m. Crew around 3:40 p.m. Nottoway around 3:45 p.m. Blackstone around 3:55 p.m. Fort Barfoot and Spainville around 4 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include North Wellville, Irby, Prince Edward Station, Briery, Murdoch's, Twin Lakes State Park, Forkland, Nutbush, The Falls, and Wellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Danville in south central Virginia, southern Pittsylvania County, until 4 p.m.
You ain't do it, son.